God, I hope this thing's running. Alright. Guys, it is Scotty B. I have not talked to you guys in a while. I apologize for that. We just had Thanksgiving 2018. Fabulous. I threw on a bunch of sushi instead of turkey. I am so proud of that decision, and not feeling like a stuffed hot cucumber out of the oven after all that food was paradise, man. Everybody else was like, oh my gosh. Alright, so let me tell you how this fits into Thanksgiving. It's at a bar. I haven't done old fashions in quite a long time. I had like one. Wasn't a big fan of it. You know, I'm going to do an old fashioned again. I'm going to try this out. So, went out, had one. It was really good. And I'm like, you know, I've been getting into making my own stuff here at the Bussey Bar, and I'm going to show everybody the Bussey Bar. It's nothing huge. It's cool though, man. If you don't have a bar, it's nothing huge. We've got our rail here with our chairs. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here. And we got the I want my cocktail please bell. Got these cool little dollar store dudes with candles in them. It's a little dirtier. We just, like I said, Thanksgiving, we had some family in. TV, we got our pool table, again dark, it's kind of dirty, I don't want to show it all off, but we've got a nice booze collection on here. Check this out. For margaritas, there's some smoky mezcal, yum dude. Monkey shoulder, if you've never had it and you like scotch, great blended scotch. Dewar's staple, right? Don Julio for tequila. Macallan, it's like a 10-year or something, nothing special. Crown Royal. We got our flavored stuff, Midori, Ponche Caribe, Bailey's, Blue Curacao, Fireball, Chambord, X-Rated, Hypnotic in its own cool bottle. Dude, let's turn on some lights, hang on. And that's the blue light. Whatever, party light. Kahlua, and then we got our vodkas. Now, let me tell you about the vodkas, and this is where we go off, and I'm going to go off on a tangent, but I'm almost done. Dude, I've been infusing my own stuff. Irish whiskey with apple and cinnamon sticks, blueberry, blackberry, raspberry. Oh, dude, it's like wine. These are all infused vodkas. Strawberry, beautiful. I usually do 2/5. I've been doing some drinking. Blackberry, just made this. Came out really good. This is one of my favorites. Peach. Dude, yum. Super yum. This one's interesting. Habanero and smoked bacon for the most delicious Bloody Marys. If you get into that. This is the staple. This is the Stoli Doli, the pineapple. Delicious. And then we've got mango kiwi. Really yummy. Anyways, that's the Bussey Bar. So I've been getting into making my own stuff. So I come home. Sorry, that was one hell of a segue. I come home and I'm like, hey, I want to make old fashions at home. So I'm going to do a quick video for you guys because I think I've got it down pretty well. We're going to use an old fashioned size glass, a little smaller than some of the bigger glasses I have. Orange, bitters. We have some simple syrup. In this case, I'm using some agave nectar, some organic stuff, really yummy. We got our maraschino cherries. And dude, after searching a little bit for the bourbon, we got the Bullet Bourbon, which is a little stronger than the other guys. So, let me get this set up. This is really simple, dude. We'll rock right through this. There we go. Alright. Now, God, I hope my camera doesn't fall down. First thing I'm going to do, I want to get some, I just want the peel, right? So, I'm just going to cut off some uber small peels, right? That's actually, right there, you don't need a lot, not for one drink. Alright, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these bad boys into strips, okay? So, I don't know, inch long, 1/4 inch thick maybe? Let's see. By the way, shout out to everybody in the D. Great Thanksgiving. Everybody seemed reasonable with the shopping going on Black Friday. Alright, so I got my strips. I'm going to throw my strips in my glass. You know, I actually like a little bit more orange, so I'm going to do about that. Then what I like to do is I'm going to do, I think about 1/3 or 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Okay, and usually this stuff's a pain to get out because it's thick and such, but what I do is, the recipe for my old-fashioned calls for 1.25 ounces of bourbon. So I'm going to put my 0.25 in with the syrup. And the reason I do that, again, the syrup, I mean, you can have thinner syrups and stuff, but this syrup's thick. And at first you're going to see it's congealed mesh. You can feel it. You can feel the viscosity of the syrup. It's thick. Viscosity, did you like that? And once I get it smoky, it's smoky looking, not smoky, but you know, foggy looking, that's about right. So I got 0.25 bourbon. I got my syrup. I'm going to put that and drizzle that. Yeah, I'm going to drizzle that over my orange peels, right? All of it. Okay. So, orange peel. We got our simple syrup. And we've got a little bit of our bourbon. Okay. Now, next thing is I'm going to take a muddler. And now I've seen people do this different ways. Sometimes they throw the orange in there. Sometimes they muddle a little bit. What I'm trying to do is muddle just the peel. There's oils in there. I want those aroma oils, aromatic oils, to come into the cocktail. That's what we're shooting for, right? I don't really need juice. I don't need pulp. I just want to get the oil. So what we do is, let me get this guy out of the way here. Sorry for the moving around the camera. I'll try and get a good angle light. What we're trying to do is we just push down. God, that's a terrible angle, isn't it? Hang on. We push down and we just do slight rotations on the peel, right? And I'm going to do this for, I mean, you'll start feeling the peels get a little bit mushy, and that's okay. I mean, we're not getting pulp. We're not getting juice. And, okay, now I'm starting to think it's starting to get a little cloudy in there, right? And I'll show you something really cool that lets you know that, at least if you're doing it this way, things are on track for a great cocktail. By the way, the reason I like these cocktails, they go down so smooth and they will give you quite a buzz. I got snookered on them accidentally last night. Alright, that is totally enough muddling. Now look, see the dots? Dude, that's the oils coming up from the rest of it. That's what we want. We want those dots. Those dots are the oil from the peel. There you go. Great shot. And then the longer we sit here, they're bubbling up from the booze. They're stuck down in there, and they're bubbling up. They are not bubbles. In fact, I can see a ton of oil. Oh, this is going to be so yummy. All right, Honorary. You didn't see that licking of the mother. Oh, holy cow. All right. We got our essential oils from the orange peel. We've got our little bit of whiskey. We've got our simple syrup. Now comes the bitters. Now, you got to be careful. You can easily overdo this. And my recipe says 2. 2 to me is about 4 drops. 4 or 5 drops. I really don't need more than that. Do it to taste. This is what I'm good with. Be your own best judge on that. All right. I have some sweet whiskey infused maraschino cherries. Tipsy cherries, right? Hang on. Sorry. Moving camera. All right. Now, this is the fun part I like. Besides my fingers get red. Take one, give a little squeeze, and I want it broken, and I want a little bit of the juice from inside the cherry in there, okay? Spill. All right. Whiskey. Dude, this stuff's awesome. I would never drink this stuff straight. This would totally have to be in this. All right, so we do our last ounce. Whoo, to the rim, baby. Gentle, no abuse, please. In she goes. All right, and again, I can see the oil at the top. Dude, that's fabulous. Oh, it's just like brewing in there. Okay, check. Check, 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 check. Let's do it. Up to about the level of the booze. So I'm gonna try and get an even layer. Alright, one more. I like it a little bit watered down. I mean, these drinks will kick your ass, dude. It's straight whiskey. Alright? With a touch of sugar. Okay. Raise it up a little bit, right? Okay, now I give it about 12 swirls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, to be fair, that was 24 swirls, 12 seconds. Bam! What is that? You look delicious. I want some of you. Alright, I thought I was needing this. I love these things. My wife got these. That's those stir sticks. But we're stirred, right? Throw in our little stirring straw, and dude, here we go. Alright, muddled orange peel, guava syrup, bitters. Smell the orange coming right off the top. In fact, so much so, I don't smell that bourbon. Okay. Cheers. Oh my god, that's so good. Alright, the bourbon's there. It's quickly masked by the sweetness from the syrup. And I like the guave because it's got a little dirtier flavor than your normal sugar. You feel it going down, man. It's winter here. It's starting to get cold. These are going to come in handy, I can tell you. So, that is Scotty B's recipe to our beautiful old fashioned. Again, great bourbon. I started making them with Canadian Club, and I think I made one with Crown Royal. They were okay. They were okay. I drink them, totally. But this guy's got such character and contrast to what's going on with the orange and the sugar. It's amazing. That's it. Sorry, I know there's a little bit on. I totally wanted to show you guys that vodka because that's cool. And then for my fans out to the fish tank videos, the fish tank's got its night glow light going on. The zinnia's going nuts. I got my corals sitting on. No, those guys are hard to see. Hang on. Got my corals sitting on the side. There we go, a little bit. Can't really catch the color in the blue light. Anyways, fish tank. Peace out, everybody. Again, happy Thanksgiving. And I hope everybody's going to have a good Christmas. And I think my next video, I'm going to show you guys how we're going to make some of these delicious infused vodkas. Peace out, y'all. Ba-dum-bum-doo. Ba-dum-bum. Thank you for watching our video. Ba-dum-bum-boo. And watching me get slightly intoxicated from the contents of the video. Ba-dum-bum. The video. Ba-dum-bum.